yesterday I had a couple of back-to-back bad crashes with the Mobula 7. I absolutely smashed the little front part of the canopy that houses the all-in-one camera, and in trying to mash the camera back into its place, I crushed the motherboard that ran it. I happen to have, I don't know, I think it's a TX02. It's one of those little all-in-one cameras that you could order. I've had it sitting on the shelf here for 2 or 3 years for DIY building a little true, little tiny whoop. Sorry, Jesse. And I took the front part of the canopy off, and I glued that little camera. I took a soldering iron and I heated it and melted out the hole just perfect to fit and glued it in. And this camera does not connect to the flight controller, so I've lost all of my OSD and my ability to view smart audio and all that, but the image is so much clearer. And from what Andy RC said in his review of the Mobula 7, he said he didn't believe that the video transmitter on it actually was putting out 25 milliwatts. I believe this one is, because my little trip here down the street was just, I thought the image was outstanding. Of course, the DVR and the Fat Shark doesn't reproduce it, nothing like I could see, but I was so happy with the way this little camera looked. It's just a shame that I've lost my OSD. Little Miss Amber in my Tyrannus radio is my lifeline to saving batteries now. But I wanted to tell y'all a little bit about why I put this slide up, as I was wanting to show this little camera. Too bad the Fat Shark DVR won't let me show it to you well. It really is just night and day, a 10 times better camera, and I believe it really is putting out a full 25 milliwatts, because at the distance I flew down there, I had strong signal on the directional patch. It was great. Well, God bless y'all. Thank you for watching.